UniFi Dream Machine. Let's talk about it. Hey guys, Luke from Evolution IT here. Today we're going to be looking at the UniFi Dream Machine, doing a quick unboxing. I got one of these in the other day. I'm excited to crack it open. Top of the box should just slide off here. It's a bit loose inside, so just be careful when taking the box off. Like most UniFi devices, has a nice smooth firm feel. It's got a good weight to it as well. Comes with some paperwork as well. And a power cable. The UniFi Dream Machine comes with a lot of features. It can replace a lot of other UniFi devices in your home or work, making it a great device for either. As you can see, you've got your ports on the back as well as your power socket. Very easy to connect.
Alrighty, so some of the features of the Dream Machine. There are a few other devices built into it, one of which is a UAP AC Pro. So it's got wireless AC built into it with 4 wireless aerials. Plenty of coverage for the household there. Also built into the UniFi Dream Machine is a switch. There's a Gigabit switch built right into the device. Another cool feature of the Dream Machine is it has a unified security gateway built into it. This unlocks a lot of additional features in the controller software, which is also built into the Dream Machine, so no cloud key required. So no PC or server required for the controller software, it's built into the Dream Machine, and with the USG it unlocks all the additional features. Very handy all in one unit.
So the main features of the UniFi Dream Machine are the high performance dual band wireless with 4 antennas. It's got a UniFi network controller with intuitive user interface, an advanced security gateway with IDS, IPS and DPI, a managed 4-port Gigabit switch. It's scalable through additional UniFi devices connected to the LAN. And it's powered by a fast 1.7 GHz quad-core processor. We might be running one of these up in the future, just so we can show you all the configuration process and the interface and all that kind of stuff. If you have any questions or queries about this device or any of the other UniFi devices, feel free to drop us a line on any of our social media or leave a comment below this video. If there's any of the other UniFi devices that you'd like us to run up so you can see the configuration for those as well, just leave a comment down below. Like the video, and thanks for watching. Hey guys, thanks for watching this unboxing. If you want anything else unboxed, or if you'd like any configuration run-ups of any of the UniFi's done, so you can see the process or the interfaces or anything like that, just leave a comment down below. Like the video and stay tuned for more. Thanks, Steve.